We're back. This is a quick video update on the Yamaha R1 project. As you can see by the way the bike it looks almost similar because I haven't done anything to it lately. But I already got the radiator. This is a used one. Got it from eBay. Got a brand new gas cap, and then I got the rear sets. They're the original ones, but as you can see, the foot peg was broken, so I had to get a replacement ones. So I got this ones. They're black, and I pay really cheap for those, $6 on eBay, and this is $10 with free shipping. I'm also I already removed the forks, but as you can see, both of the forks are bent a little bit. Shit. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of hard to take a video and then show you. But yeah, both of the forks are bent, and I'm gonna disassemble them in a little bit, sorry, and then see how bad is the damage, and see if I can take it to a guy that actually a friend who works on bikes, and he does welding. He does magnificent welding, and he's really good at fixing frames and subframes, wheels, and forks, and a lot of stuff. So hopefully soon I can do a quick video on his shop and show you around. It's on Phoenix, and like I said, it's a radiator. It's a used one from eBay. Paid $100 with the fans and everything. I got the coolant reservoir, and let's go to the bike. So you can see that's the bike. I'm waiting for the levers. A triple tree carbon fiber cover. What else? Fairings. Like I said, I have 2 sets of those. Just waiting for the oil cooler. It goes down here, and I'm still see if I'm gonna buy the headers. If I can find some at good price or the new ones. I don't know. I'm still debating on what to do with those. But this is the bike currently, the way it sits. I also need a rear wheel, a magnesium one, subframe. But the bike starts, so that's a plus. And that's the bikes I'm working on. This is my baby, my daily driver, my monster. And shit, show you around. Some other project is down there that I have to fix soon. But yeah, this is the bike. Current status, still broken. Also waiting for some other parts, bolts and all that stuff, little add-ons to make the bike look good. Some valve stems, 90-degree valve stems, and go from there. But my main object for this bike for now is put the radiator, get the oil cooler, the headers, fix the forks, put the front wheel on, the rear wheel if I can find one, sorry, the one that it's supposed to go on the bike, the magnesium one, and then get it running, like all together, but running, and just do the cosmetic slowly, and put the wiring all the way it's supposed to go. And that's the wheel right there, the front one, and then go from there. But yeah, I'll be doing some updates. I'll probably do a video on installing the pegs, and then mounting the radiator and the oil cooler, and putting the gas cap on the Yamaha. So if you want to see more videos, let me know. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, share it. I mean, if you like it or not, it don't matter. It doesn't hurt my feelings. But I can also take advices from any people. I take it in a good way, so don't worry if you're gonna leave a negative comment. It's okay with me. And if you have parts for this bike or this build, let me know. You can probably buy it from you, or if you give me a good price, or even if you can donate it, that would be awesome. But yeah, let me know. And like I said, I'm gonna do more updates soon, and then installing parts on the bike. And let me know what you guys think, and I'll be seeing you soon. soon. Peace out.